With an ending comes a new beginning. Congratulations on completing all the code challenges of this course. However, the journey continues as you take other courses through which you can expand on your problem-solving abilities and hopefully do wonderful things with Python. In this video, we will look into future coursework, other programming languages to explore, and how you will use what you learned in the real world. Now expand on your knowledge of Python in your field of interest. You have learned how to write functions in Python and applied it in your ATM banking project. This required a knowledge of if statements and loops. You also learned to read and write text files and CSV files, which you can use as an extension of the ATM project to write a menu-driven database ATM application using CSV files to store data. As you take programming classes, you can benefit from your new ability to look at a problem and break it down into parts. That is how computer programmers do their work. They analyze the problem and turn it into a set of smaller problems. Let's face it, smaller problems are easier to solve than larger ones. You also have the ability to look at data in a new way. You now understand data types and data structures. These are certainly not unique to the programming world. Perhaps the most important takeaway for you will be that you can take any course even if it does not seem interesting to you and be successful. Are you ready for some good news? Nearly every concept, idea, and term used in this course is not unique to Python. Programming languages have unique features and syntax that are easily learned. The difficult part in learning a programming language is understanding the basic concepts such as variables, data types, data structures, and loops. So if you were to learn a new programming language, you would not need a For Dummies book. Let's say you want to learn Java next. You do not need to wonder what kind of data types Java has. You already know the answer. Integers, floats, strings, and so on. Sure, there are some differences, but there are far more similarities in programming languages than there are differences. Lose the fear of learning a new programming language and believe in the old saying that once you learn one programming language, learning an additional one is easy. Yes, you can. Okay, so you might not want a career in computer programming, but if you took this class, you are likely to have a career in or around information technology. You might even have programmers working for you, or you may be on a team with them. Now you understand their language, Python or otherwise. You truly have taken a great glimpse into their world, and that will help you communicate with them more effectively. Wishing you a happy programming journey, wonderful scholars.